Have you heard about Flint Kids Cook? It's a free cooking and nutrition class just for kids. Flint Kids Cook is a healthy cooking class for kids aged 8 to 18 years old. The class is taught by a chef who teaches kids how to make healthy recipes. Kids also learn about the importance of eating healthy foods from a dietitian. In class, kids work together to prepare recipes, practice their cooking skills, and get to know each other. In-person classes are taught at the Flint Farmers Market from 5 to 6:30 p.m. on Tuesday and Thursday nights. Families can also learn to cook together at home in virtual Flint Families Cook classes. Before each class, families receive a food box, delivered by Flint Fresh, that contains all ingredients needed to make the week's recipes. During class, families cook along with the chef on Zoom to prepare recipes together at home. When the recipes are finished, families talk about nutrition with the dietitian. Here's what folks have to say about the classes.
My favorite part of Flint Kids Cook was cooking, learning new recipes, and making friends along the way.
The class helped my daughter learn about teamwork, responsibility, and nutrition in a fun, hands-on environment.
I really enjoyed cooking with my kids. It was time we were able to make a meal and spend quality time together.
Thank you for watching. If you are interested in signing up for our classes, please scan the QR code below or go to flintkidscook.org to add your name to the class waitlist. Classes are taught all year long, and we will contact you when a new class is starting.